Hello everyone, welcome to computer session. Our today's topic about the folder. What are the folders and how we are able to edit this folder? Now let us understand that folder is a type of location inside the computer where we can store files. So in simple word, folder is a collection of several files. Now today I am going to explain you how to create a folder, how we can move a folder and delete a folder. So stay with me and watch my video carefully. Folders can be created on your desktop in any of the storage drives or even inside other folders. To create a folder, one way is to right click, choose the option New. Folder is visible on the screen. Here it is, and now you just have to give the folder name. Pick something short but memorable. Now to rename a folder, right click and choose the option Rename. To delete a folder, click on the Delete option and the folder will be deleted. But keep in mind that if you delete a folder, everything inside that folder is going to delete. So, files and folders we can create within three ways. The first way is to simply drag it into the folder. The second way is to copy and paste. When you copy and paste a file, you leave one copy in its original location and then put another copy into the second location. So here I am going to right click, then select copy. Now I am clicking on the folder, right click, again selecting paste. Now there is a copy inside this folder and the original copy renames their original location. The third way is to cut and paste. When you cut and paste, you remove its original location. Now file from original location, to put it on a new location, just we are dragging into the folder. So here I am going to right click, select cut, click on the folder, right click and select paste. As you can see, the file is no longer in its original location. So now if I open up this folder, all the three files are here.